Alright, today we'll be going over how to install the SPS-X 11X parking sensor. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to open the 11X app, select which lot we will be installing it in. There is a QR code on the back of each puck. We will select scan QR code. We'll scan the code and we will assign it to a parking spot. This one is going to be installed at the 11X HQ in spot number 60. So now the parking spot is assigned, puck is assigned to this spot. So now we will install the parking puck into the stall. So step number one, we have measured out where we want to put it. We're going to take some air duster, clean the spot. We are going to take our glue. We're going to apply it to the back of the puck. For a full install, we would apply glue to all surfaces. For this demo install, we are only going to be applying it to the corners. Now that the glue is applied, flip it over and push it down into place. The glue will take about 8 hours to fully cure, and that is it. It is installed.